Hey, and welcome back. Welcome if you are new. In this video, I'm cleaning out the refrigerator and the freezer because we got our we done our grocery shopping. Yeah. I wasn't actually going to do a video this week, but I decided I'd go ahead and do the video of this. As you can see, I'm showing you all the stuff that needed to be put away while I was cleaning out the refrigerator. And I also do the pantry, and then I declutter and clean up a little bit in the kitchen too. I think at that point right there with my phone, I was trying to turn on a podcast. I like listening to true crime and stuff like that. I usually listen to Bailey Sarian. If you have not checked her out, you definitely have to. She's like my favorite. Let's see, what else? I did do some decluttering also in this video. I don't know what else, guys. But this is just kind of a video that I threw together today. It took me several hours to get the footage, and thankfully I was able to. And as you can see, I've already pretty much started on, well, I'm finishing up painting the cabinets and stuff. So that's that, and the boys have had practice this week, and then there's school and doctor's appointments and stuff like that. So there has been a lot of stuff going on and not enough time in the day. And this whole entire week I have been trying to finish the cabinets. It's going to take at least 2 coats on each side, which the side over there by the sink I've already done the second coat on. The other side, I put the first coat on it. Now I have to do the second coat, and then I'll have to go back and do like some minor touch-up and stuff like that. Which I'm not gonna, I'll show after the fact, like when the cabinets are completely done and stuff, because I don't really think that anybody really wants to sit here and watch painting of the cabinets, because it's kind of puts you in the mind of paint drying and stuff like that. And yes, the cabinets and stuff like that, or the countertops, are a mess, and that is because of anytime there's a big project or something going on, it always get messy. But at least there's no dishes in the sink, maybe a cup or something, but that's good. But anyway, guys, I hope this video gives you motivation or gives you a laugh or just something like that. Yeah, right here I'm cleaning up the freezer area. I haven't, this is like the first time the freezer area has been cleaned in I couldn't tell you how long, because that's just a part of stuff that just kind of, you know, out of sight, out of mind, because most of the stuff that we access is in the deep freezer in the washroom, like the meat and stuff like that. So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm going to go ahead and let y'all listen to some music and go get this baby to sleep because she is cranky and ready for a nap. Anyway, I love you guys, and I hope y'all have a wonderful weekend, and I will hopefully catch you next week. Bye.
it's with you, everything's moving slower. I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Falling in love. You set my wheels in motion. I'm going crazy for you. Eyes blue like the ocean. I can see you want this too. Cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know. And I ain't playing no games, baby, you won't change. I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love.
Show me what it's like to be circling among the clouds. Because without you by my side, I would be stuck here on the ground. You're lighting up the way, I can see the road ahead of me. I won't be stumbling in the dark. Your eyes are shining like the stars. I was down until you saved me, until you set me free. My eyes were closed, now I see clear as day. And I just wanted to say that you can take me high. Feels like I can fly. You can take me high. I can see the sun staring at you when you make that smile. I'm moving closer to you now. I can't get close enough somehow. And I was down until you saved me, until you set me free. My eyes were closed, now I see clear as day. And I just wanted to say that you can take me high. Feels like I can fly. I don't need anybody, I don't need anybody else. No one will ever take me, no one will ever take me away from you. I promise I will hold on to you. I don't know what I'd do without you. without you. You can take me high. Feels like I can fly. You can take me high. Feels like I can fly. You can take me high.